Hello everyone and welcome back. So in today's video, I will show you how you can connect your Facebook page with your Instagram page. So through the Facebook profile, it's really hard. You need to go to settings and find the connect assets, and then you need to connect it from there. But when you have a business manager and um, you've been handling everything, all your assets in your business manager, it's a good thing to handle and connect everything in one place. So you don't need to go anywhere else to connect or remove or assign your assets to anyone else or for yourself. So to get to this place, you just need to type business.facebook.com/settings into your browser. But remember, add type it in the same browser where you have your Facebook logged in. So it will take you to a business manager page. This one in here, what you need to do, I have already teach you how you can connect your Facebook page into your business manager. So if you haven't connected your Facebook page, just do that first, watch that video and come back to this one. So first connect your Facebook page into your business manager, and then we need to connect the Instagram page. So I have uploaded both videos that how you can connect your Instagram and Facebook page to your business manager. So once you do that, what we need to do after this is to connect both together. So once they are together, you can so what you will get is that if you post a reel or a post into your Instagram page, you can share it automatically to your Facebook page. So it gives you a really good basically it will save your time a lot, that when if you only say post it on one place and it will automatically posting on your Instagram. And also it connects your messages and Facebook messenger messages to one place, so you can check everything in one place. And if you're going to connect your Instagram and Facebook with the CRM like Go HighLevel, it will show all the messages in one place, so you can reply them, your comments and likes, everything will be in one place. So the process is really easy. What you need to do is click on connect asset and click on Instagram. So here it will tell you that it will be connecting both together, messages and comments and all the permission and settings. What you need to do is just log into the Instagram. Always check this mark here. Once you check it and read everything what it says here, just click continue. And once you click continue, it will ask you to log in into your Instagram. Sometimes it already logs you in automatically. Otherwise, you just log in as your Instagram, and then it will connect you with your Instagram and Facebook page together. So here I already have a business profile and a business page created and added into the business manager. So what it's doing, it's connecting my Instagram, but be careful. Your Instagram needs to be a business or creator Instagram. It cannot be a personal Instagram page. So when you're connecting your Instagram with your business profile, your Instagram needs to be converted to business or a creator business or a creator Instagram page. So you can easily do it through the Instagram. Just go into your Instagram app, click on settings and change your Instagram page from a personal or private page to a business or a creator page. If you're running a business, you can change it to a business, or if you're an influencer or creator, you can mark it as a creator. So it's a really simple process. It don't need any verification and it's a quick process. So once you do that, come back here and connect your Instagram with your Facebook page. So it's a really simple process. It don't need any developer, you don't need to learn about any technology here. You just connect it here and it will be connected into the assets. So the page will refresh automatically. Once it's done, it will show you that your Instagram is connected with your Facebook page here. So in the next video, I will show you and teach you how you can connect your Instagram with your ad manager. So the thing I told you that it will give you ability to run individual ads on Instagram. So you can also run ads to grow your Instagram followers, or to get more likes or views on your Instagram reels or posts that you can easily do from ad manager. It will be really cheap instead of posting posts from your Instagram page or from your Facebook page. So this is the correct way to run ads. So I'm teaching you only the correct way, and all those basic ways are not really going to work for you, and it will just waste money and it will not give you a really good result. So once you run ads through business manager and ad manager, you will see the big difference. So subscribe to the channel and like this video so you will get notified once I upload the next video of this series. Till then, take care.